What's up, YouTube? Catamine's coming at you. Been a while. Been a long week down here in Texas with the snowstorm. But I got these playoff 12s. As you can see, the midsole is yellow and they're dirty. So they've been brought to me today to ice wipe the sole. And of course, I'm gonna clean them up as well. So I'm gonna bring that yellow midsole back to white, icy white, as much as possible. Keep going until it's done. Make them look like new again. Make them look wearable. So stay tuned. I'll work my magic. And I'll be back with the finished product. Back. Finished product. Jordan Playoff 12s. Ice the sole. Back icy white as much as possible. Unfortunately, I couldn't do as many sessions as I wanted to get it white because as you can see from the first part of the video, the shoe has separation on the midsole or the sole, so that limits the time and how many sessions I can do to prevent it from separating more. Of course, because you know they have to be outside in the sun, in the heat, and that heat will heat up the glue. The glue will melt, and then that's what causes it to separate more. So I did about 3 sessions, and the customer was satisfied with the 3 sessions. After I told them before I started that it had separation, so no telling how long the shoes will last, and that unyellowing the sole will probably make that separation a little bit worse. But finished product, satisfied customer, no complaints. Jordan Playoff 12s, unyellowing. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.